Hello everyone, you're welcome once again. In today's tutorial, we're given this quadratic equation 4x squared minus 8x minus 12 is equal to 0. Then what is the sum of the solutions of the quadratic equation? So the first thing we're going to do, you underline this sum. In quadratic equation, you must have two values of x that will satisfy the equation, and the equation says we should find the sum of the solution. So when we get that two value of x, we add them together. Sum meaning addition, we add them together is going to be our answer. So the quadratic equation given is what? 4x to power 2 minus 8x minus 12 is equal to 0. What do you notice in this equation? We have 4 here, 8 and 12. If you notice, 4 can go into all this number because 4 can go into 4, 4 can go into 8, and 4 can go into 12. So we can first reduce the number. So this is going to be what we factor out 4. 4x squared divide 4, it will remain x squared. Minus 8x divided by 4, it will remain minus 2x. Then minus 12 divide 4, it will remain minus 3, which is equal to 0. How are we going to do to eliminate this 4? By divide both sides by 4. So we divide here by 4, also here by 4. This 4 is going to cancel this 4. We are left with what? X to power 2 minus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0 divided by 4 is the same as 0. Now we have reduced this quadratic equation. The next thing we are going to do, since the leading coefficient here is 1, we are going to consider this constant negative 3. Then we look for two factors of 3. When we multiply, we get negative 3. And when we add, we get negative 2. So 1 and 3 are factor of 3. 1 multiplied by 3 is to give us negative or positive 3, but we are looking for negative 3. Then we can add negative to this place. 1 multiplied by negative 3 is negative 3. Then 1 plus negative 3 is going to give us negative 2. So we are going to use this two number. So in factoring quadratic equation, what do? We open two brackets, use two brackets to multiply itself, equate it to 0. The variable we are looking for is x. Write x here. The first number is positive 1. Then the second number is what? Negative 3. So what are we going to do? When two terms is multiply itself and is equal to 0, is either the first one, x plus 1 is equal to 0, or the second one, x minus 3 is equal to 0. Now we're going to solve for the value of x in both sides. X now will be equal to, when we take this 1 to the right hand side, become negative 1, or x will be equal to, when we take this negative 3 to the right hand side, become positive 3. So this is x1 and this is x2. Remember from the question, what is the sum of the solution? Now we're going to plug plus x1 plus x2. So this is going to be equal to x1 is negative 1 plus x2 is positive 3. So when we plus them together, it's going to give us a positive 2. And positive 2 is the answer to this question. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.